What an exciting day. Let's get it started. Nasty Hearn, nasty underscore Hearn, right here, the old mobile, as you guys may remember. Sorry about the background noise, ignore it. We're here and we have an install for you guys from Nytop or Nytop or New York Top, or I don't know what I don't know how to say their name. As you see from the thumbnail, we have this beautiful skid plate extension. So it's not an actual full skid plate, but it will fucking protect my radiator and shit like that. And it looks so good in pictures. And you will see after we have it installed. So hopefully everything goes as planned. Which nothing really goes as planned when you're installing car parts. But hey, I mean, it seems pretty straightforward, I would say. But yeah, let's run it. We're gonna take off this plastic plate here, which will probably give us like 2 inches of clearance actually.
Definitely a better approaching.
Yeah, for sure. So then, this is mainly like 4 bolts that are holding that thing together, I would say. Maybe some clips. So we'll figure it out. Just like that, it's out. Had some hiccups along the way, but we got it out. It's just all these tabs that you need to take off. They look like this. So you push this little tab on, and then you pull out. So she said. So 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just unbolt that shit, and now you have these tabs that you need to take out, and it comes right off. Go ahead and use the provided hardware and attach the skid plate extension. Nice. Ooh, did you guys see that? It looks way good. That's it. Whew. Oh, let me move you guys right here. I really don't know if you can see me from there actually. Let's see. Nah, not really. Alright. That is it, guys. It's a freaking simple install. But we had one hiccup, of course, as every damn car part installation video goes in the history of installation videos for cars and car parts and installation stuff and everything like that. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So of course there was something that was there was 2 bolts where the skid plate extension goes that broke off, and the bolt itself is just in there. It was just in there, so we had to do some extraction stuff, but we got them off. So all good there. Again, the skid plate extension is super easy to install, looks super good. 4 bolts you need, and it's already supplied by Nytop, so no need to buy any hardware or anything. All that stuff is supplied by them, and it looks extremely well. I love how it looks right now. Removing that thing adds 2 inches no matter what. Even if you don't have that thing, it still has a plastic you know, like extension on there that you can use as well. But this one looks way better, and it's more functional, of course. So if you want to do that, go ahead, and you can just leave it like that. I was going to do that before I got the skid plate extension, but I didn't want to, you know, sacrifice the looks, because it looks kind of shady just having that plastic you know, out there. But I just bought the skid plate extension, and they're having a sale right now. If you guys want to go onto their website, I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. Excellent customer service. I had some questions about sponsorships. This video is not sponsored by them. I actually bought the plate, so go ahead and check it out for your GX. Again, huge shout out to our boy Johnny Nasty _ Hearn. Thank you so much for always being there, helping me out from you know, Subaru all the way up to my Corvette, and now GX. so crazy. But I mean, we're gonna go out there trailing, so if you guys want to follow this channel or subscribe to the channel, and so you guys can watch all of our adventures out there in Cloudcroft, with also all around El Paso area. We're gonna be doing a lot of things, especially now with the 4Runner. With the GX. It's just gonna be great. So if you guys want to stay tuned, you guys can more than welcome stay, and you know, keep just watching the videos, and you guys help out a lot, and I really appreciate every single one of you that actually watches my videos and stays, you know, tuned. Thank you so much. Honestly, thank you so much for watching the videos. It really helps a lot. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. This GX is gonna start looking phenomenal, and oh man, with this front skid plate extension, it looks so damn good. I can't wait to show you guys in a couple of seconds here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace out. Roll that B-roll, yes please. See you later.